This is Trip Up with Sadie and Ranton. We're at Boyce Thompson's Arboretum in Superior, Arizona. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're at Boyce Thompson's Arboretum, which is home to Arizona's oldest and largest botanical garden in Sonoran Desert. After having the King's Plate at Silver King Smokehouse and Saloon, the exploration of its statues, structures, and the incredible array of cacti, desert plants, and other desert flora from all across the world was worthwhile. Truly astonishing. Thanks for watching. Hey, hi!